Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flex, a financial trader and a digital marketer. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can leverage on Binance Academy to get the right knowledge about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and Binance itself. The amazing part is you can make some passive income from this information you'll be studying. Binance have several products from futures trading, launchpool, auto investment, spot trading, and many others you can leverage on to make some passive income online. Yes, you heard me right. But in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can start your crypto journey the right way with these significant articles and tutorials Binance have provided on Binance Academy to get you started with the right knowledge and information. So stick and stay with me. Let's get into a step-by-step guide. Let's go. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and share. To get this page I have here, kindly click on the link in the description below. Using my special link gives you a 10% discount on all your trading fees. So we have here sign up with phone or email, with Google or continue with Apple. Find the one that is most suitable for you, but I will recommend you sign up with email. So let's go ahead and click on sign up with phone or email. On this page, we are going to enter our email and password to have our account created. So after we've entered our email and password, just as I've done, we then check the two boxes below that says I have read and agreed to Binance's terms of service and privacy policy. Kindly do well and read the terms. And also check the one that says I agree to receive marketing updates from Binance. With that said and done, you can now click on create personal account. Binance Academy is a place full of video tutorials, articles that teaches people everything related to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies and Binance. You will literally see that everything you see here is related to these topics. Binance Academy has been translated into 21 different languages. Already, millions of people are learning about cryptocurrency on Binance Academy. If you are wondering how you can find this, let me show you. First of all, click on the gray box at the top left corner. Then we click on Academy from the products we see here. And hey, you are in the course successfully, absolutely for free. There are articles, courses, ways you can make money with Binance through Learn and Earn, and many more. You can learn all about blockchain and crypto by simply clicking on Start Here. Here it says, Welcome to Crypto. We are on a mission to educate the masses on the transformative potential of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. You will find over 280 articles covering everything from computer security to economics, and they are in 21 different languages. So language is never a barrier to start your crypto journey with the help of Binance Academy. All you need to know about cryptocurrencies and its benefits is in this article, and also how you can leverage on it to make some passive income for yourself. If you have been watching this video up to this point, kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click the link in the description to register a Binance account today. Moreover, if you have heard of any term in the ecosystem, and that is the crypto ecosystem, you can easily search for the meaning in the search box. So let's search for the meaning of altcoins. And here we have several articles you can read to get more knowledge about altcoins and how you can invest or leverage on them to make some passive income. This and many more you can learn from Binance Academy. Peace out.